How to do background check for Uber. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can do a background check for Uber. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So it depends on if you are a person applying to become an Uber driver or if you are the rider wanting to check their Uber's driver's background. So first of all, if you're applying to be an Uber driver, then what you have to do is you have to log in and then the Uber will automatically run a background check for you. So in order to apply and get your background checked, you have to go to the uber.com/drive. After that, you have to create an account. So here tap on get started. Once you're under the uber.com/drive, that will prompt you to create an account. Then you have to upload your required document such as your driver license, vehicle registrations and insurance, and your profile photo. So from this page also you can view all of this information regarding the background check. Then tap on agree. After that, Uber will ask you for your social security number to run a background check and you have to provide your background. After that, Uber will perform your background check and it will check your driving record, your order history, and also the identity verification. Now, the check will usually last for 3 to 7 business days. After that, you will be notified via email or in the Uber driver application to know if you're approved or not. And the second option, if you are a rider wanting to check others drivers background check but you cannot have a full access due to privacy policy, but you can view some limited information such as their driver's photos, name, a vehicle info, their license plate number, and also their star rating based on their reviews. So these are the way to perform the background check on Uber. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.